Let's draw the turtle with spikes from Super Mario. First you have to draw the draft with a lighter pen and try to follow how it looks like. And then after that you have to erase the unnecessary lines, edit a little, and then draw on top, ink it, and get rid of the back, the draft, and then color it and add shadows, and you can blur it for a better shadow effect after coloring. I'm coloring right now, and then I'm going to blur it with the blurring tool. You can see that I did it with the eyes as well, the shadow and the shell and the outside of the shell, the white part, and then the body of the turtle. And I'm putting shadows, and I'm going to blur it, and after that you can use a very fine tip pen to draw on top to show the lines. There. So you're almost done. I'm getting rid of the lines now because you don't want the lines in 3D. So okay, I'm getting the lines rid of, and then blurring the colors. And when you blur, the lines disappear. Some of them you still want them, so you can draw it back with very fine lines after you're done blurring. See, with a necessary color, not black. Thank you for watching.